everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Deirdre Nicholas from Palm Tree Teaching TV, and I've created a series of videos showing English being used in real live English situations. Today we're going to be looking at something which a lot of British people like to do in their spare time. I wonder what it is. So a lot of people in England in their spare time like to do it yourself, DIY. I'm outside one of the biggest retailers for DIY in Britain. It's a British company and it was started by a man whose surname ended in B and a man whose surname ended in Q. And today it's called B&Q. So, you know, when you come to these stores, and there are more than 300 of them in the UK, you can buy over 40,000 things to do with do-it-yourself. And every week, more than 3 million people come to buy do-it-yourself items in these stores. And they buy everything from tiles on the floor to lighting in the ceiling. They can buy things for the home, things for the office, things for your garden, electrical supplies, and even building supplies as well. You can buy carpets and curtains and rugs, things for the bedroom and furniture, and even things like light switches and barbecues. We've come to B&Q to look for some paint to put on the walls of our house. So here's a colour chart book with different colour options. And I think what we want is something quite natural like this. So if we turn to the back of the book and look at the different colours that we can choose from, I think something like this would be nice. And here's the paint I bought earlier. I'm going to put that on the wall now. Hi, so now I'm going to start my painting. This is a 3-part process and I have 3 tools for that. The first thing is the brush, the second thing is a small roller, and the third thing is a larger roller, and they go in that order. So I'm going to start now, and I take the small brush to do the very detailed work down by the skirting board and up this way, so that I can get into the edges like that. Now, the fact is that this brush shows brush strokes on the wall. Now, we don't want that, so I take the smaller roller, like this, not too much paint on it, and I roll those brush strokes off, like that, so it's nice and smooth, like this. I'm not a great expert, but I like to have a go. Now, we've got a large area of the wall to cover, so I'll take the larger roller, like this, and then I go up and down like this. And you need more than one coat, but this is just the first coat. And you do it in 2 directions, and then you can get a nice smooth finish. Like that. So, if you've liked these videos and you've enjoyed watching them, please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So until next time, I'm going to carry on painting. Bye!